We're solving problem 20 from the 2022 F equals MA exam B. A uniform hollow sphere is initially at rest on a horizontal plane. The plane begins to accelerate horizontally to the right with acceleration A. If friction is high enough to prevent the sphere from slipping, what is its translational acceleration? So we have a drawing depicted here of its acceleration here. Since it doesn't slip, then that means, well, there's an opposite force going in the other direction. And we want to let the left side be positive for this problem. It then goes with this case that by using Newton's second law, ma minus f is equal to the one on this side. So we'll call that sub t for, yeah. So once we have this, we can also use Newton's second law to denounce that, oh yeah, this is when you subtract the forces, by the way. We use Newton's second law to say that the r radius, r times the force is equal to the inertia times alpha, variable alpha, where this variable alpha is equal to a sub t over r. It then goes from these two equations that f is equal to I times a sub t over r squared. Now, from this first equation, you can add f to both sides so that ma is equal to ma sub t plus f, and then plug that f in. So we get that ma is equal to ma sub t plus I a sub t over r squared. Since both of these terms have a factor of a sub t, we can factor that out. This is m plus I over r squared. For this case, we want to substitute the value of I, where I is equal to 2/3 mr squared. So you can substitute this value of I into this equation to get that ma is equal to a sub t plus, times m plus, well, this is just 2/3 m because the r squares cancel out. And this just becomes a sub t times 5/3 m. So we have an equation for ma. Now we cross off the m's and divide both sides to get that a sub t is equal to 3/5 of a. Since we said that left is positive, we want to subtract the two. A sub t minus a, well, we know what a sub t is now because we found that value. This is 3/5 a minus a, which is equal to negative 2/5 a. So this is our answer for this problem. It's translational acceleration is negative 2/5 a, but they won't take a negative answer. What this negative basically means in this context is, since we defined leftwards as positive, this being negative just means it's to the right. So we just write to the right, or find the one that says 2/5 a to the right on the test, which would be answer choice D. And so this is our answer.